I try to post up for you guys to see if we can do a couple races. I feel like everybody was too scared to race the 300Z, but one man did not back out. Yoshi. Now, what do you think? What do you think? Your car's gonna stand a chance? Oh, all right. Sheesh. You guys don't know? This is Yoshi. Banner. He has an Instagram. It is right over here. All right, guys. So we're probably gonna go do some rollers real quick, just to show you guys that it's a Z race. We're gonna have more Z's and more people, but everybody's scared of races, so you know that's what happens, you know. All right, guys. So we're about to roll out. Got the Z ready. He got his Z ready. See you guys at the spot. All right, guys. So we've made it to our location. It's kind of dark, but it's still nice. And we got the musical roll playing over there. This is in Mexico, just to let you guys know. So, place your bets now. Who do you think is gonna win? Old school 300Z, twin turbocharged, or new school 350Z? Not twin turbocharged. Still fast, still pretty fast. And it is Yoshi, so I'm, you know, this guy's got a lot of stuff under his head. Finish line will be the end of this location. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark. We'll be right over here where that car's at. Yup.
So
we're just gonna do a pull.
All right. So before that tree.
Before the end of it, yeah. Like right at the end of it.
Right at the end of it.
Yeah.
The next one, right?
Yup. Yep.
One eternity later.
All right, mate. How do you feel?
That was a race?
I think it was. Were you trying? Because I don't know if you were or not.
Wow, I don't know that shit. I want to beat your car's fast.
Yeah? We're going to probably still do some rollies on the way back to his house just to see what happens. You want to go back to your pad?
Sure.
Alright. See if this man wants a rematch. Oh, those brakes are terrible. First defeat? Alright guys, 300Z, still undefeated. Huh? Oh, that's your brother, bro.
I fucking hate you, nigga.
Chill. Alright guys, well now you know the Z. I try to give you guys more races, but you know, nobody really wants to race me or him for some reason.
What do you mean I didn't want to race you?
No, I'm saying most people don't want to race. Guy. Anyways, if I can, we're probably gonna be going to Willows. When is it? The 15th of this month, and then we'll see if we can race it against people. But obviously, we'll probably lose. So, you know, ain't nobody can beat a 1,000 horsepower car, you know. But stay tuned, more to come. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to check out Yoshi's channel as well. Other than that, see you guys.